have braces now. Now you can officially call me a brace face. Okay? Period. It's your girl Dave back with another video again. We on the road, y'all. We on the road. About to go to my braces appointment now. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm about to hop in the car, all of that jazz. So when I reach there, yeah, we can see what's going on. It's been 1 month since I've had on these braces, so we'll see how the update goes. About to hop in the car right now and drive there. 4 minutes for 2 o'clock, so we're on the way. It's hot. I'm here at the parking lot of the dentist facility, the orthodontist, whatever you call it. So I'm about to go in or whatever. Hopefully I don't have a lot of people in there. We're about to see what has happened in a month of me having braces. We outside. You guessed it, Waiting Area Chronicles. This time I didn't have to do any paperwork. I was just told to sit down. So now I am sitting down. It was around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I didn't get into the office until about 3. So here you see me here, bored, just, watching myself in the camera because, I have nothing else to do other than sit here and be bored until they called me. So, yeah, this is me. Just sitting here watching you watching me and watching me watching you watching me, and still sitting here like I told you. I was in the waiting room for a good bit until they called me, and here we are. So right now, right here at this very moment, I was just waiting for the dental assistant to come and check my mouth. So she's about to do that right now. As you will see, the blue gloves come into the picture. So right now she's just taking off the old rubber bands because we are going to change the wires and put on a new set of rubber bands. Also, I have a surprise for you guys, but you got to keep watching. So while we're watching this clip, I'm just going to tell you my experience thus far. Did they hurt? No, not really. The first 4 days my mouth was kind of sore. Did have a little bit of irritation in my mouth due to the new brackets being in my mouth, and my mouth wasn't comfortable with it. But overall, my 1 month of having braces was not bad at all. I definitely have to make a separate video talking about my whole experience. I'm just telling you guys just a little bit of it, but it wasn't that bad. I think I'll stick to the same color. I like it. Yeah. At this very moment, the dental assistant went to go get the kit with the colors and stuff. There's a lot going on in the background. They had a lot of patients that day, so I had to wait for them to come back and service me or whatever. But here I am being goofy or whatever. Let me show you guys a room real quick. I'm a big child. Okay. Back to normal programming in 3, 2, 1. Got the rubber bands off now, guys. I think we're just going to change the color. And here comes the orthodontist. Now he's gonna check my teeth as well, because he's the overhead doctor, so he's gonna see and make sure that everything is fine, no brackets are broken, make sure that if anything changed in my mouth over the course of time and stuff. So yeah, right now he's gonna be telling me different directions.
I'm gonna put your phone down, please. Okay. Right down. Call Lala, please. Okay. Okay, now.
Did anything change? A little bit.
The top teeth are straight now, right now. Now you just don't put the bottom on. Okay. Okay. Right now? Okay. Lower bonding.
Okay. What's up, coming back?
Hey, cuz. Hi, what's up, fams? So, guys, we are going to get the lower braces.
Alright.
I'm excited. My top row is straight. It's them dry, white, crusty lips for me. Oh my god. Give her some Vaseline, please. You know this good stuff.
You're lower, right? I'm gonna skip the fire for now.
Okay.
But bam, brace face. Thank you, my love. About time you put some on their lips, girl. Taking them dry like the Sahara Desert. I'm telling you.
Oh, what color?
I'm gonna stick to the same one, yeah. I got trash?
You put time to go.
Okay.
Is this one you have?
Yeah, I think so. Was it that one? Or was it this one?
No, not that. This is
The white?
No. What color was this? This in my hand.
Oh, that one?
Oh, what color you want? Yeah, that was a TV. Yeah.
I'm gonna change my mind. I like the brighter one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So right now she's putting on a different wire. This wire is much thicker than the previous wire that I had for the first month. It is a square shaped wire. It is not round and flexible. It's more sturdy. Now she will be applying the colored rubber bands to my brackets, and this will help keep the wire in place as well as keep my teeth in the position that they are. So is this wire thicker than the last one?
Yes, it is. You can feel the difference. Right?
Yeah.
So this one is rectangular and this one is circular.
Ah, okay.
It's really flexible. That one isn't.
getting a lunch break today. Girl, I don't know how you do it. It'd be fun, man. That's the only reason. So you didn't put any of these? Because you know just that they twisted. But when he makes this, that's when he put something on it.
So once they're all straight and stuff, that's when he's gonna do the extractions.
For the wisdom teeth? Okay. So there's a possibility that they could take them out in between the passes. It depends on how the teeth move.
Okay.
Alright, he's gonna come and check my work and then he'll be good to go.
Awesome sauce. New color, guys. What do you guys think? I have to get used to the bottom now. But yeah, got a full set. So the top wire is a lot thicker than the bottom. And yeah, got a full set of braces now. Now you can officially call me a brace face. Okay? Period. Yes.
So what do we have to do? So open. You see right here on these teeth? We're gonna put some, let's call it like filling material.
Okay.
We're gonna put some right on top of it too. So that you, when you bite, you can bite on top of it.
Ah, okay.
It feels pretty weird.
So what does the filling help with?
Or just keep it bite open so that you don't knock in the bracket.
Ah, okay.
It just saves you money, actually.
Gotcha.
You don't, because you know when you break off brackets, they give you 3 tries. After the 3 tries, you start having to pay for them.
Yeah.
But we try to not have people pay for them at all.
Oh, you guys are caring.
We try to be. Okay, let's do this side first. Bite. Open. It's gonna be right here on this edge, because when you bite, this is the cusp that sits in the groove of the top. Did you feel this one too? Yeah?
You know, he doesn't see on the other side, dude.
Because you feel this one here like more dominant.
Yeah. feel both of them now. Yeah. Okay, good. He's gonna come back and check. All right.
Hey YouTube, so that's basically the end of this video. The orthodontist did come back and check and everything was perfect. These are my teeth currently. You feel me? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, give it a thumbs up, guys. Share this video with a friend if you found it informational. You know the vibes. If you are new, welcome. If you aren't, welcome back. Thank you guys for being so supportive of my small YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys. And cheers up to the Unique Gang. Hope to reach more of you guys in the future. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the outro. Love you guys.